What if I told you that less is actually more? Today, we're diving into the timeless beauty of Japanese home decor, a design philosophy that's been perfecting the art of tranquility for centuries. Whether you're looking to completely transform your space or just add some zen to your home, this video will show you exactly how to achieve that effortless Japanese aesthetic. Before we jump into the decor elements, we need to understand the philosophy behind Japanese design. First is the Japanese concept of negative space. In Western design, we fill every corner. But Japanese design celebrates emptiness. That blank wall isn't missing something. It is something. It gives your eyes a place to rest and your mind space to breathe. Then there's Wabi-Sabi, which is all about finding beauty in imperfection and impermanence. That worn wooden table, those asymmetrical handmade ceramics, they're not flaws. They tell a story. They're authentic, and that's what makes them beautiful. Japanese design is also deeply connected to nature. Every material, every color, every element brings the outside world in. Now let's talk colors. Japanese interiors stick to a very specific palette. Your foundation is neutral. Warm whites, soft beiges, gentle grays, and lots of natural wood tones. These aren't boring. They're calming. They create a blank canvas that lets your mind relax. For accents, you'll see deep blacks, charcoal grays, and occasionally rich forest greens or indigo blues. But here's the key: restraint. One accent color per room, used sparingly. This palette mimics nature: earth, stone, wood, sky. It's inherently soothing and timeless. You won't get tired of these colors in 5 years because they've worked for 500 years. Materials are where Japanese design really shines. Wood is king. Light woods like cedar, cypress, and pine are everywhere. Floors, walls, furniture, accents. The grain is celebrated, not hidden. Bamboo is another staple. It's sustainable, beautiful, and versatile. Use it for blinds, screens, furniture, or decorative elements. Traditional washi paper and natural fabrics like cotton and linen bring softness without synthetic feel. River stones, slate, and handmade ceramics add organic texture. Think of a stone basin in the bathroom or a rough ceramic bowl on the dining table. Stay away from plastic, synthetic fabrics, and overly polished materials. If it looks artificial or mass-produced, it doesn't belong here. Japanese furniture sits low to the ground. Floor cushions, low tables, and platform beds create an intimate, grounded feeling. They make rooms feel more spacious. Furniture should be functional and simple. A low table serves for dining, working, and tea ceremonies. A futon can be stored away during the day. Every piece earns its place. Furniture placement is minimal and intentional. Don't push everything against the walls. Create pathways and let the space breathe. Remember that negative space is crucial. You don't have to sit on the floor if that's not comfortable. Choose low-profile sofas, simple platform beds, and streamlined furniture with clean lines. Shoji screens are iconic for a reason. These sliding paper screens diffuse light beautifully and create flexible room divisions. You can find modern versions or DIY them with wooden frames and rice paper. Maximize natural light. Keep windows unobstructed or use simple bamboo blinds and sheer curtains. Bring nature inside with bonsai trees, bamboo, ferns, or simple branches in a vase. But follow the less is more rule. One beautifully placed plant makes more impact than 10 scattered around. Clutter is the enemy. Invest in built-in storage, hidden cabinets, and minimal shelving. Everything should have a home. Layer natural textiles. Linen curtains, cotton cushions, wool throws in neutral tones. Wall art should be minimal. One piece of calligraphy, a simple ink painting, or a carefully arranged flower arrangement. In the living room, start with a low sofa or floor cushions around a simple coffee table. Add one statement plant and minimal shelving with a few books and ceramics. For the bedroom, use a low platform bed with neutral linens and one bedside table. The bathroom should feel spa-like with natural stone, wooden accents, and plants. In the kitchen, aim for clean lines, hidden appliances, and minimal countertop items. Create a genkan, a traditional entry area with a low bench for removing shoes. You don't need to renovate your entire home. Start with one room or even one corner. Clear clutter, add a plant, swap out colorful pillows for neutral ones. Look for natural materials at thrift stores, estate sales, or artisan markets. Natural materials need care: oil wooden surfaces and air-out textiles. This mindful maintenance is part of the philosophy. And there you have it, your complete guide to Japanese home decor. This isn't about buying a bunch of new stuff, it's about creating intentional space and choosing quality over quantity. Which element will you incorporate first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plans. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until then, embrace the beauty of less and create a home that truly brings you peace.